Today I'm going to show you what Freethesheepco is all about and whether if it's really worth it. So to get started, Freethesheepco is a brand that's getting attention for its creative products and unique online presence. They focus on fun, casual designs, mainly apparel and accessories. Then you need to look at what makes them stand out. Their website is really simple. Their product range is aimed at people who like minimal yet expressive styles. Shipping times can vary depending on your location. Next, let's talk about the quality and experience. From what I've seen, the materials feel light but durable, and the prints holds up well after a few washes. Customer feedbacks has been mostly positive, though a few note that sizing can run slightly small, so it's best to check the size chart before ordering. And finally, is it really worth it? If you like unique conversation starting designs, and want something different from typical store, Free the Shipco is worth trying. Just make sure to read reviews and verify promotions before buying, like with any online brand. And that's it. That's my quick take on Free the Shipco.